Liszt's B minor sonata is not just a piece, it's a psychological epic. A single movement that compresses an entire life. Temptation, rage, transcendence, collapse. To play it is to journey through fire, shadow, and light without ever breaking the thread. The opening bars should feel like the birth of a new world, bare, suspended, and filled with latent energy. Play them slowly, with a sense of pulse but without forcing the flow, as if the silence itself is sculpting the sound. Think architecturally. You are laying the first stone of a vast structure. Liszt fuses sonata form and freedom of a fantasy. This is no simple ABA structure, it's a drama of evolving characters. Each theme is a persona, demonic, lyrical, noble, or tormented. Let them speak, argue, and seduce, but never reduce them to the same voice. Even as they transform, keep each identity distinct. And don't treat the transitions as mere connectors. They're psychological corridors, rich with tension and meaning. When the octaves take flight and the arpeggios blaze, your mind must remain cooler than your hands. The fire must burn within a clear structure, otherwise it dissolves into chaos. Always think in motives. Where does the phrase come from, and where is it going? Every storm is built from small, interconnected musical cells. Tempo and rubato should remain consistent, flexible, yes, but always with a sense of inevitability, natural flow, and human expression. And articulation gives direction. Shape each phrase with clarity and precision. Paint and pedal with defined lines, not with haze. When the lyrical andante arrives, resist the temptation to sink into sentimentality. While some scent of nostalgia can be present, it's a rather moment of clarity after turmoil. Play it like a prayer recalled through pain. Shape the voicing with warmth, but keep the line supported, never let it collapse. Use the pedal sparingly. Let the sound glow gently rather than dissolve into blur. Each phrase should unfold with quiet inevitability, like the remembrance of something sacred. Once the intricate, artfully woven structure, built from those initial motifs and foundational gestures, has fully unfolded, the sonata does not end in thunder, despite Liszt's earlier intention to do so, as revealed in the manuscript. Instead, after a recap, it dissolves by leading into the same pulse-like motif that began the journey. Now it's transformed, perhaps even liberated. Let it go with reverence. Don't slow down too early. Maintain energy and expressive intent through to the final page, always guided by the shape of the long line. Let the ending fade naturally, sincerely, not as a performance gesture. And when the last note is played, wait. Let the silence offer its own response and make the audience think about life itself. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos about music, piano, interpretation, emotion, and everything that makes music great and human. Please subscribe, like, and press the bell button to stay up to date. See you soon and have an awesome day.